circle back to her. This is Cersei. Cersei, tell them about yourself. We're rolling.
Well, I can change a rock into water. I could turn a rock into wood. Or a rock into metal. Actually, one time I turned a rock into air.
Cut. You know what? Why don't you think about it and we'll get back to you, okay? Sprite says you're addicted to this thing.
Oh, this?
Whoa.
You know, things we don't age. I think they're quite good. Don't you?
Nobody ever wonders how you managed to be a leading man for over 100 years.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about. That is my great-great-grandfather. That is my great-grandfather. Grandfather, father, and me. I'm part of the greatest dynasty in the history of Baltimore. Pretty impressive, right?
You abandoned me in Macedonia.
Okay, I got sick of moving every 5 years. People freak out when they notice that you don't age.
I thought we were friends.
Do you know why I love